Morning dear students, as we are continuing assessment 2, that is related chapters 8 to 14, lesson number 8 to 14, and it's from our Navneet practice book. Last two lectures we completed question number 4 and 5, and today we will complete, that is question number 1, 2 and 3. So first see the question number 1. See, for question number 1, fill in the blanks any 8. So we have to solve all the 9. Number 1, 5.2 centimeter equal to dash centimeter dash millimeter. As we know, सेंटीमीटर देन मिलीमीटर, यानी सेंटीमीटर और मिलीमीटर, सेंटीमीटर से हमें मिलीमीटर में जाना है तो डिवाइडेड बाय मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 करना है, और मिलीमीटर को सेंटीमीटर में लाना है तो डिवाइडेड बाय 10. सो हियर इट इज़ 5 सेंटीमीटर टू millimeter. Left side of point is centimeter and right side of point is millimeter. Next, 1 kilometer equal to dash centimeter. It's 1 lakh. See, 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Because I already so many times explained the tables, that is kilometer, hectometer, kilometer, then hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter and then centimeter. So we have to move downwards 5 step. So multiply 10, 10, 10, that is 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 like that. So it's a 1 lakh. Number 3, a box of chalk sticks has dash surfaces, 6 surfaces. Next, 4 number, 140 multiply 10. First multiply by 1, 140 into 1, that is 140, and then write this 0. So 1400. Question number 5, 840 divided by 14. 14 6 are 84 and this 0 come over here. So the answer is 60. Question number 6, 3500 gram equal to dash kg. As we know, 1 kg means 1000 grams. So divided it by 1000. So cut both the zeros. So upper portion 35 and down portion 10. So 10 means, denominator 10 means point after 1 digit. So the answer is 3.5 kg. Question number 7, 15 rupees equal to dash paisa. 1 rupee means 100 paisa. So 15 into 100, that is 1500 paisa. Now number 8, 3.5 minus 2.25. So arrange this way. 3.50 minus 2.25. So the answer is 1.25. That's why I written over here 1.25. Now 0.4 multiply 0.1. If we multiply both of these, we get 0.04. 0.04. Next question. Question number 2A. Answer the questions on the basis of the following map. Scale 1 centimeter equal to 1 kilometer. This is north direction, west, not just opposite south, west and east. Look, this is here home, then temple, here it is hospital, government quarter, railway station and dairy. So here 4 centimeter distance from home to temple. 4 centimeter means 4 kilometer, and from temple to hospital, that is here it is 5 centimeter, that means 5 kilometer, and 4 plus 4, that is 9. Then hospital to government quarter 6 centimeter. So 6 multiply 6 centimeter means 6 kilometer. Government quarter to railway station 3 centimeter, that means 3 kilometer. And dairy from railway station to dairy, it is 7 centimeter, that means 7 kilometer. Now answer the following question. What is the distance between home and government quarter? See, this is home. Home and this is government quarter. So the distance are 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 6, that is 19. 19 centimeter means 19 kilometer. So the answer over here 19 kilometer. Next, in which direction is the hospital from home? See, here it is home and this is hospital. So towards down. Downs means south direction. So the answer is south direction. South direction. Next question. What is nearer to the government quarter? Temple or dairy? See, this is government quarter. Government quarter to dairy, that is 3 plus 7, yani 10 kilometer. Whereas government quarter to temple, that is 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5, 15 kilometer. So 15 kilometer is bigger, whereas 10 kilometer is less. So the dairy is nearby. Dairy is nearby. Next question. What is the distance between hospital and dairy? See, this is hospital. 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 7, 16. 16 centimeter means the distance is 16 kilometer. Move forward. Question number 2b. The boiling point of 4 matters is shown in the following table. Answer the following questions on its basis. So name of matter, that is mercury, alcohol, water, petrol. Boiling point of mercury in degree Celsius 356.7 degrees Celsius, alcohol 78.37 degrees Celsius, whereas water 100 degrees Celsius and petrol 95 degrees Celsius. Now question is number 1. Which matter has the highest boiling point? C. The mercury is the highest boiling point. What is the boiling point of it? Mercury's boiling point is 356.7 degrees Celsius. So the highest boiling point is mercury and its boiling point is 356.7 degrees Celsius. Question number 2. How much more is the boiling point of water than petrol? See, water is 100 degree and petrol is 95 degree. So if we subtract both of these, so 100 minus 95 degrees, so I will get 5 degree more. Whose boiling point more? Water boiling point is more 5 degree than petrol. Question number 3. How much less is the boiling point of alcohol than water? See, alcohol is 78.37 degrees Celsius, whereas water is 100 degrees Celsius. So we have to subtract this way. 100.00 and here it is 78.37. So the difference is 21.63 degree Celsius. 21.63 degree Celsius difference between the alcohol and water boiling point. Next, number 4. What is the difference between the highest boiling point and the lowest boiling point? Highest boiling point mercury, that is 356.7 degrees Celsius, and the lowest is 78.37 degree Celsius. So write this way, 356.70 and 78.37 degrees Celsius. Subtract both of these. So the answer is 278.33 degree Celsius. So the difference between highest and lowest boiling point is 278.33 degree Celsius. As we know, where the atmospheric pressure is low, their boiling point also low. यानी जहाँ पे एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर कम होगा उसका बॉइलिंग पॉइंट भी कम होगा. नेक्स्ट, match the following shapes with their nets. See, this is the shape of cuboid. So match with number C, cuboid. All sides are rectangular shape. It's a cylinder. So cylinder means 2 circle and 1 square. Number 3, it's a cube. So all the 6 sides same, that is square. Match with number B. Number 4, it's a shape of cone. That means 1 rectangle and 1 small circle. This type of shape. So match with number A. Come for next question. 100 children were asked about their favorite cartoon. The detail is given in the following table. Prepare a pie chart from the table. Name of the cartoon given and number of children given. Choti Anandi, 25 children. Chota Bheem, 50 children. Jungle Book, 15 children. And Pakram Pakri is 10. So majority is 50 and total number of students 100. So 100 का 50% यानी आधा बच्चे किस पे है, छोटा भीम. So we have to draw this way. First make a circle. 50% छोटा भीम. So right over here छोटा भीम. 50. Next, it is Choti Anandi, that is 25. So rest 50% divided into 2 equal part. It is Choti Anandi. After that, bigger number Jungle Book and 10. So here it is divided into one small part and one big part. Small part Jungle Book. Jungle Book 15. Bigger part Jungle Book 15 and small part Pakram Pakri, that is 10, and total students equal to 100. So this is our pie chart. This way we completed assessment 2 from this text, from this workbook, that is Navneet practice workbook.